So Toyota Supra key fob battery replacement. First thing we're gonna do is push the button that you have on the left here, remove the emergency key. All right, once you have that done, you see this slot that's right here? There's a little baby slot right here. We're gonna use that to pry the back half of the remote open. Okay, all you have to do is just turn it. Once you get like a little screwdriver in there, and it'll come, this little panel will come right off. Okay. Here's our battery here, and we're just gonna just pry the battery out of the remote, and I'll show you what size it is. Battery size is gonna be CR2032. Positive sign facing out towards us. You put it in the top of the remote first, and you get a new one, and then click it in there. If you need one of these batteries, or the size again, check down the description box. I'll have all the information down there, and a link takes you to Amazon where you can get a new battery. So the cover needs to go in with the top side first. You see these feet hanging off of it. Top side goes in first in the little slots, and you click this down like that. Then you put the emergency key back in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate if you would hit that like button for me, possibly subscribe.